Saving or exporting photos in Lightroom Classic is crucial. But in this video, I'm going to walk you through some steps on how to save photos in Lightroom Classic. So if you want to save photos, select the photos first to save. So in the library or the module, select the photos you want to export. So once you export, you select the photos, go to File, tap on Export, or use the shortcut Shift plus Control plus E. Or in the window, you can also use the Shift plus CMD plus E if you are a Mac user. So choose the folder where you want to save your photos. You can also create a subfolder if needed. So if you want to do that, if you want to rename your file, you can do so in the file naming section. So once you do that, choose the image format, which is the JPEG, PNG, or etc. if you want. It depends on the kind of format you want. Then select the color space, which is the sRGB or the Adobe RGB if you want. And also you can select the qualities. So for that, for web use, you can use the JPEG or sRGB, which are common and recommended. Now specify the dimension and the resolution. For example, you want to set the resolution to 300 pixel, or you want to set it to be 72 pixel per inch for web. You can also choose whether to apply sharpening for screen or print. You can also decide whether to include the metadata, or you also want to add some copyright information in the exported file. You can also, if you want, you can also add a watermark. You can do this in the watermark section. You can also choose what to do after exporting, such as opening the file in other application. Once you decide all of this, click on export button to save your photos with the specified settings. So that's how to export, or that's how to save photos in Lightroom Classic. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and follow for more. Thank you.